So today we are going to solve Pascal's triangle problem from LeetCode. So first we will see and understand what a Pascal triangle is. Then we will create logic for the given problem, and finally then we will come to the code part. So first, what is Pascal's triangle? So Pascal's triangle is nothing but basically a two-dimensional array in which the first element and the last element of the every list in the Pascal's triangle is 1. The second property of Pascal's triangle is that the element which is in between is sum of the elements above it. Like here, 2 is sum of 1 and 1. Here 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Here 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Here 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 3 6, and 3 plus 1 4. So for easy understanding, let us write this Pascal's triangle in form of arrays. So this two-dimensional array has 5 rows, and first row has 1 column, second row has 2 columns, third row has 3 columns, fourth row has 4 columns, and fifth row has 5 columns respectively. So first row has index 0, second row has index 1, third row has index 2, fourth row has index 3, and fifth row has index 4. Now let's find logic taking under consideration this particular part. 2 equals to 1 plus 1. As you can see, 2 lies in third row, 1, 2, 3, and second column, 1 and 2. Third row means index 2 and second column means index 1. This particular 1 lies in second row and first column, that is, second row means index 1, first column means index 0. And this one lies in second row and column 2, that is, second row means index 1 and column 2 means index 1. Now generalizing this part of logic, we get taking index of 2 as I and j, we will get index of first 1 as I minus 1 and j minus 1 from here. See, here it is 2, it will become 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So here it is I, it will become I minus 1. Similarly, here it is 1, it will become 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Similarly, j minus 1. And for this one, row index will be 2 minus 1. So here I minus 1 again. And column index will be same, 1, here also 1. So here it will remain same and j. So this is nothing but our final logic for the given problem. So this is our final logic. I will explain it once again. Taking indexes of 2, row index I and j, from here 2 will become 1, so I will become I minus 1. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0, therefore here it will come j minus 1. Similarly, row index of this one will become 1 from 2, that is 1 is subtracted. So here it will become I minus 1 from I, and the column index for this one will remain same, because here it is 1, here it is also 1. Similarly, here as we have taken column index as j, it will remain j over here. Now let's come to the code part of this problem. So first we will take an empty list called result. Then we will loop through all the rows of the given array for I in range num rows. For it will go from row 1 to row 4. Then we will take a list called row and we will write there none for underscore in range I plus 1. That is the row will become none for I equals to 0. It will become none 2 times none for I equals to 1, and so on. Then we fixed first element and last element of the row as 1 from properties of Pascal's triangle. Then further, for j in range 1 comma length of row minus 1, here we will loop from the second element till second last element in the Pascal's triangle, because we have already fixed first and the last element, so we don't need to consider them again in this loop. Next line of code, row of j equals to result I minus 1 j minus 1 plus result I minus 1 and j. This comes from our logic part. Then we will append this row to our result, that is empty list we taken above, and then we will return the final result.